Oi oi everyone, welcome back down Marine Arcade, which is near to where I go, down Crown Slots, but these seem to get the newer games quicker. So this is the latest screen on the Equinoxes. Obviously Legend of Horus and the Ocean Frenzy is just being mass released, but now I've got Action Bank Safecracker. I'm going to get some money into this. Now I think you can gather up to like 100 spins from what I've been reading. Let's have a look. $94% on premium. 3 spins turbo gamble. Gamble to maximum 3 spins. Gold dial ones. Fuck nice. Let's just get some money in. So obviously need 3 gold vaults or whatever. That's £100. Let's get some more. Alright, so you can get, it's a little bit like Wild Fever with the spins on the end, but you can get their vaults as well, is that right? See what happens. I'll bring you back on the first land, I suppose. In with a massive 5 spins. And a lose. Don't think there's really much point in taking 5 spins, is there? I don't know. So ideally you need the gold vaults, don't you? Maybe there's more value in them. Skin. So yeah, let's see what this is all about. Bring you back on the next game. Quick update on this new Action Bank Safecracker. I'm now 200 in. I've not had another game since that 5 spins. So that's what, I think I had 78 quid. Yeah, it's had like £140 about a game plus. So, first impressions, it's not giving me anything to gamble with. And I'm 200 in about 5 minutes. I've had 1 game. So maybe another poorly designed slot. For giving you chances anyway, like just unreal. I'm gonna have to reload again already. So yeah, not going well so far. I've just had that 1 little 5 spins and it donked. In with 5 spins again. Let's have 10 and then gamble after. But that was brutal, that was. That's my second game in 200 quids. £11 off 10 spins. 10 spins is there. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Yeah, 25. Still not enough probably, is it? Alright, reload. In with some vaults. Oh, big bank bonus. Dearly need at least a ruby pot diamond pot. Don't tease me. Oh, don't tease me. Oh, get in there. Congratulations, you have won diamond pottage. Does it explode? Does the safe explode? Alright, well, that was that. I suppose probably the best thing that could have happened. Moving on. Just come off that new game. Hit the diamond pot. Get in there with that one. Actually going to go for a little bit of I don't know what to do. I might take Frankenstein off the ban list, just play it for 1 or 2 games, or pot the lot. Let's try this. It just seems a very bad slot for me. Yeah, I would obviously like to have carried on playing that Action Bank, but well, I had 3 games and 240 quid, and luckily enough, that chucked in the diamond pot. So that was all right in the end. I'm not sure how many spins you'll need on that to get a decent win. But yeah, I need 3 premiums, preferably some blue spins or something. But if I can get to 15 or 20 spins pretty cheap, then I'll take it. So I don't want to get involved in this game. It's alive. 2 spins left to find some blueies. Has it got it in it? No, it hasn't. £33. Dial 1 of death, 6.15. Dial 1 of death. Frankenstein has struck again. Plan sounded well, didn't end well. Frankenstein. Oh, gotta give me a sweat, can it? I'll see if I can get one more out of it. 1 year. Go number 2 on Frankenstein. Just show me the blueies. Ah, it's 50 quid. 50 quid and 4 spins. I'll take that. 4 premium spins remaining after this massive 4 spins. But there's a feature, I only wanted 1. There he is, he's at the top. Three extra spins in the top right. Sounds like me when I try and get out of bed halfway through the night, going for a wee. With my back. It's alive. It's alive. Extra deuce there with the kings and the queens. 3 extra spins have been awarded. Three, 6 sheets of humpback. That's alright. It's great little features, to be fair, with that 50 quid start. 2 left. Mir spins. Mir spins. I'm more than happy with this. So I mean, it definitely plays better off the front. Five left. Is there any Mir? There is Mir. Last one. That's a good feature. 120 quid off 4 spins with the re-triggers, 19 spins. 4 premiums remaining. Can I sneak another feature in? Oh. Went dead for them 4 spins, 172. Let's have that. That was alright. That was alright. Moving on from Frankenstein. Just come off old Frankenstein and I'm going to go into Pot the Death. Just for a couple of games. Let's see if I can get a break building going. This is another one where I've had it off the wheel. Let's give like 8 spins and it's paid like 400, and then I've gambled to 40 or 50 and it's paid like 200 quid. So I'll bring it back on the first game on this. Hopefully I get a cheap spin. Oh, I used to like that game.
Yeah. I've done it so many times recently, it's no dog really right. They're in New Horizon in Peterborough.
Oh no, they can be brutal, mate.
Bridge Street.
No spins on Pot the Lots. 5 spins of death. Right. I think that's what Frankenstein did. Well, it did give me a win, but the gamble lost. Hopefully the second one is better. I'll bring it back. As soon as I put the camera down. Game number 2. Just want a fiver. Is that a fiver? It sure is. It is a spin on the big break table. This one. Where's it gonna land? Cause this game is normally deaf. Here comes the tune. That's what I wanted. Cause where's it gonna land? It's normally in 5 spins. Cause this game is deaf. Change. It's in 10 spins. Bonus guarantee of 7 quid. Piano's out. Blueies. Plonk. Ah. Gonna be in 10 over line, I think. Red ball is in play. Jump for the 1-4. It's Pep. Another Red Bull. Don't think I'm getting another Red Bull. 2 left. That's poor really for 10 spins. 38 sheets. Yeah, it's like not even 4 spins value, I don't think. Sod. Last one. 42. Yeah, I had 10. Valued about 100 quid to be fair. I'm going to go for a double. If a double comes in, I'm going to collect it. And it didn't. Moving on from pot the death. That was a shame. Moving on. I am going to give it another go. Gnome Run. Surely it can't be bad every time. Cheap game on Gnome Run. Can I get a spin on the gnome wheel? Answer is no. Again, actually get a cheap game and it does 0. What a bastard. I'd be happy with just a spin of the wheel. 2 cheap games on Gnome Run on running videos. Did not want to part with a window. There's 2 cheap games though within like a tenner. Very rare for this. Very rare. Hopefully this next one don't cost an arm and a leg. Yeah, 520. It took a little bit for that one. That's not enough for a spin. Well, it is. It's enough for a spin on the gnome wheel. Can I have 12 gnomes, please? That is. Ah, it's in 3. 3 gnomes. Bonus guarantee. Bonus guarantee. Bonus guarantee. Bonus guarantee. Get in there. This guy kills me. £6.80. There's 3 gnomes there. Cheers. Okay, that is definitely death. Down to 520 now. Pot the lot and Gnome Run. I don't understand why it actually lands in 3 gnomes just to do that. That's just boring, isn't it? Could give you a sweat. Moving on. Pyramid of Gold. Mysteries of Death. For 1 pick. Say for 1 pick. Like it's easy to get. It's actually not. Let's try this. See if I can get a squeeze. I'll take 10 or 15 spins because I can just go off if it wants to. If I can get there anyway. So I'll bring it back when I eventually get a pick. Got a little roll in here. I think I'd rather a multiplier, to be honest. Yeah, if he was down a couple more. Times 3, please. I'll take that. 192. That's crazy. Yeah, see, I've gone off 30 spins before, and that's paid like 58 quid, I think. Don't really see any point of going for that. So I'm going to have it. Takes me back up. 2, 6, 7, 4. Give it another 20 quid. And then move on from this. But that was a nice roll in. That's probably the best thing I could have done there, unless maybe times 4 or 5, but that was good. Anything? Is that quite enough? Is that enough? Nice. Now I'll take the 8 spins. Oh my God, nearly to the top. Max spins. Oh well, I got 30. It's pretty much what I would have just gambled for a minute ago, so I got a free shot. Cost me 7 quid this time. Nearly to the top. I've been to 30 once before. I honestly thought that was going then. You wanker. Yeah, if they were there, it'd have been monstrous. Yeah, that'd have been well over double that. That's good. Well, I'll say that's good. Pretty rubbish symbols here. That's times 3 times 3. That's all times 9, that. God, crikey. Monstrous spin that was. Oh, I was on 92 quid, weren't I? Just that times 9 was, even though it was rubbish symbols, it's like a £250 spin. So just give me 192 off the base, and it's gone up to 30 spins. Oh, that wild for the times 4. That'd have sent me over 400, definitely. Got 10 left. Sod. I think it's dried up. Last few. Game over. What a feature though. And that was literally just because of 2 spins. There's 50 spins value. Wowie. Love that. Takes me to £1,009. Just come out of that lucky press. Alright, I'll be back, maybe with another slot. Right, that's going to be the end of the session there. It's just a little short one. I only wanted to really come in here and play that game. Obviously jammed out with the big bank bonus. Got a decent feature, excuse me, on Frankenstein for once, and then them two were rubbish again. Had a couple of cheap spins on Gnome Run, but pretty poor. And then that Mysteries of Ra. 192 quid collect. A couple of spins later, 7 quid all the way to 30 spins, 343. Has took me up to 1,007.80p. I'm 300 in, so that is a £700 raise. 707.80 lengths to be exact. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Let me know what you guys think of that. Obviously I didn't really know, I didn't get I only had 10 spins, so just don't know what to do with that. Yeah, that's never had the old would have liked to gamble to some spins, but there was no need obviously because they give me that. But they're fixed pots, so I just got really lucky getting the diamond pot. So yeah, that's a good result, that is. So thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great weekend. And yeah, see you later. £700 and 7p, no, 707 and 80p up. Get in there, much needed.